My name is Leon Gabriel P. Jarak. I'm 17 years old, currently a graduating senior high school student.
Hello, I am Marian Kilop from St. Patrick's School of Quezon City. I am a grade 12 STEM student.
Ever since I was a kid po, I've really enjoyed playing games. That love for game eventually shaped my passion.
I joined because I will be taking computer science as a course. Thank you po very much, especially to my teachers. They made the learning experience very fun and easy. Nakatulong po definitely.
Actually, smooth po yung lahat, especially yung curriculum po kasi each topic po is connected naman po siya. Yung mga instructors naman po, magagaling naman po sila magturo and para po ako nasa kindergarten kasi sobrang galing po nilang mag-alaga po sa amin. Especially ako po nahirap pong minsan umintindi sa mga lessons po.
I think it definitely solidified my desire to learn coding kasi nga po masaya siya. Thank you din po for helping me choose my course or letting me decide what course I should pick in my college.
Gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa Zuit syempre kasi opportunity po yun na binigay po sa akin kaya kinuha ko po agad. Siguro kung wala po yung Zuit, wala po akong idea sa mga coding. Till now, undecided pa rin po kung anong gusto kong gawin sa future.